How to add a background image to PowerPoint slide. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you easily how to add a background image to PowerPoint slide. So without any delay, let's just get started with the process. For that, you can just go ahead and open up your PowerPoint, and once you've opened it up, what you can do is right click on your PowerPoint, the slide right beside here, and when you click on it, you can find this option called format background. Just go ahead and click on it, and when you click on it, you will be finding these options on the screen. So go ahead and select these, like you can select a gradient as well in picture. Since we are adding up a picture, go ahead and select this picture source and tap on import. After that, you can go ahead and insert a picture from a file, stock images, online pictures, or also from icons. For now, I'm selecting up a picture from my own device. You can also do that if you want, or you can also browse. After that, you can just go ahead and select up a picture that you want to add as a background and tap on import. And when you do that, it will be added on your background image to your PowerPoint slide. So you can also apply it to all as well. And that is how you basically add a background image to a PowerPoint slide. So it is very easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.